Hello, I'm Doug Roran. I'm here at Juniper Level Botanic Garden, the home of Plant Delights Nursery, and I'm standing aside an Eryngium ravenelii. The genus Eryngium is a large one, about 250 species, a few species native to the Old World, huge number in the New World, and the peak of their largest number of species is in South America. This is actually a species that's native to South Carolina, south into Florida, on the coastal plain, usually in soggy soil. They're growing here with a Japanese maple, hostas under their feet, and a little bit of ajugas and a cryptomeria, so not a soggy site, but just average moisture. It's a very rare plant in South Carolina. It's called Ravenel's Eryngo. Mr. Ravenel was a botanist and mycologist, a guy who studied fungus in the 1800s, and he was the one who first described the plant in South Carolina. Unfortunately, that population was wiped out when they dammed the stream or river in that area and made a lake that still exists today. And it was only in, I think, 2002 that Dr. Patrick McMillan found a population of in South Carolina, down in Charleston County. He gave Tony, I believe, some seeds, not plants, and it has just thrived in the garden. It's the middle of August. It's in full glorious bloom. You notice it's a plant highly favored by pollinators. Today we're seeing mostly, I think they're scolio wasps, these blue-winged wasps. I am perfectly comfortable being in the presence of these wasps. For one thing, not all wasps sting, and they're so occupied with nectaring the flowers that they don't give a hoot that I'm standing next to them. This Eryngium is very closely related to Eryngium aquaticum, another species native to the southeast, but this is a perennial species, and Eryngium aquaticum tends to be annual or biennial or really short-lived perennial. It's a clump former. It's not a plant that's running beyond where you plant it, though you probably will get some seedlings. The seedlings transplant readily. We grow it in full sun, and certainly if you have a wet site, a site where you might grow pitcher plants or other bog plants, it would really thrive in that location. It's in bloom for, I guess at least 6 weeks or so. Eryngiums are often used as cut flowers, so it's an excellent plant to cut for the house. So Eryngium ravenelii, Charleston Blues, is a plant I highly recommend for late season color and for a cut flower and for the pollinator garden. You don't have to plant a pollinator garden, your whole garden can be a pollinator garden. So great plant, I hope you'll add it to your garden. Thank you for visiting today. Happy gardening, and I hope to see you again soon.